Cipher.
Music.
What? Oh, okay. So
You're far out.
It's cool. Up is down, down is up.
it's playlist. So let's get to it. Okay. Yeah, I can see. Look, but at night. Okay, I can show. Back to Wyatt. Soundtrack, yeah. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Like a too jazzy. It's too jazzy for me. It says caption. Okay. Too jazzy for me. I don't know why. Like too jazzy for me. Like it's like jazzy, upbeat, like normal jazz, right? Like calm jazz. It's like an upbeat jazz. I love jazz, but this is too much. Too much joy. Her voice is amazing. Pauline got an amazing voice. Amazing voice. Pauline does. It's too much joy. I don't like it. Too much joy. Give me a headache. You know why? 'Cause I'm a punk. Yeah. That's why. Duh. It's a punk. Right, Poser? Right, Poser? Poser. I am a saw. Too much joy. No, it's nighttime. Night. Look, it's dark time. Why is it too bright? Maybe because the trumpet too loud. Keep the trumpet down. It's right at nighttime when it sounds too joyful. Hear that classic piano. The classic piano. Hear that? Okay. Let's good song. It's okay, it's not good too. It is too. Duncan, banana, la, la. I heard this song, but I never listened to the lyrics. You're not Elsa, right? It sound like Elsa. You sound like that Gaka? No way. Oh.
Get high? Are we gonna get high?
Oh. Okay. It makes sense. She's trying to take her to the lava. Oh. I thought it was like breakthrough. Yeah, it takes her out into to the lava.
Get high?
No, we don't want to get high.
Okay. You sure?
Yes, go away, stupid towel.
I'm addicted to marijuana.
Okay. Not too much. Yeah, there's no lyric. It's just a soundtrack. There's no lyric in Mario. Only the gameplay, not the Mario Kart. It's like in a water park. I'll do it. It's like a water park. I see all the rainbows. Ooh, rainbow. I heard this song. She's smiling.
My name is Towley. You wanna get high? Are we gonna get
No. I'm too high for this. Three, two, one, go. Sonic. Oh. No, there's no caption. There's no caption. Great. Is Taylor saying this? Ooh. Is Tail a metalhead? Why sound like Tail? Is Tail in the metal band? Is Tail in the metal band? It sounds like Tail. Oh, not the metal band, the rock band. Oh my god, what? It sounds like Starset. It does. That's Starset? Hold on, who they're from? Off. No, that's not them. OFT. What's OFT? I'm here. Let's give me Starset. If you heard that band, check it out. Ooh, it's laggy. Come on, Mike. Ooh. Ooh. Kind of like, yeah, Starset next to Linkin Park. Linkin Park to Starset. That's a two band. The both pretty different, but it finished so well. It's not too edgy, but a little upbeat, happy. Not like an edgy song. Not too deep. A little bit like Linkin Park. Mix Starset. See? Mixed together. That's what the combo sound like. It's like you make a sandwich. Like this is made. You understand, people? This is how you have to be a music genius if you understand. What is wrong with me? Sound like Linkin Park. Yeah. Because Starset scream. Linkin Park do scream, but it's saying like this. You get what I mean? R.I.P. Chester. Sound like this. For example. Music facts. Wow. That's amazing. It kind of sounds like two rock band mixed together. The combo. Yeah, two rock band. For sure. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, yeah, so next on. I don't know why I'm laughing. It's the Minecraft song. 3, 2, 1, go. But yeah, you know what I mean. It's two rock song band combo. Love it. 2 minutes. Okay, sure. Okay. Through a piano. I love piano. That was my first instrument, yeah. That's my first instrument I played. A piano. Start mic. Okay. Yeah, it's like a little remix. Kinda like I say the Sonic one. Kinda sound like a remix of a two rock band. Yeah, I say that and I say the next combo. Yeah, that's a calm one, right? I'm totally a music genius. It's the same thing, but different font. So same thing, different font. I have to repeat it. It's the same thing, but different font. Cause you got Minecraft, it does. I can't give you a full example why we know it. I'm also a game nerd. I know the soundtrack. So you get my point. Media genius. I'm a media genius. That's crazy. I what? I feel connected. Is it over? No. I'm stuck in a loop. I just feel like I'm stuck in a loop. That's why I'm a bit slow. Time flow. I need some drink. Can't go quick. Whoa. That's cool. The piano follow. Like Tom Jerry, you know Jerry on the piano. Like trying to get under the piano but keep going. over. It's over. Thank God. Okay, the next song. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this game. I can't look on my monitor. I have to go on my phone to connect to it because you have a playlist. He made a playlist. I can't watch the whole video. It's a playlist. Ooh. Enough talking. Sorry. Can I talk more? Is that annoying? I think it is. I'm gonna shut up. The caption? No. I thought it is. Fuck. You say, oh yo. I'm not drinking. You know what that means. With my dry ass mouth. I'm sorry for bringing up the mic. Now it's wet. Just so that make it wet. Make it wet. Make it smooth, okay? Hey, you like this song? I like it. It's like a jungle feel. Like I'm going crazy. It's like a jungle movie soundtrack for the Madagascar. Yeah, that's not perfect. The chaotic jungle feel. But happy, like the movie DreamWorks company had to make a cheerful song. I'm definitely using this. This is a 4th time in a row. 5th time in a row. Maybe 100. You never know. That's what it sounds like. You should think about it. I'm too deep in this. Why I'm too deep in this video game? Cause the layer. Oh, see, they add more layer. I don't know why video game does that. They do it all the time. It's shocking. Even the horror game. It's frightening me. This makes me like, ooh, the happy game, not a horror game. If you understand what I mean? If you deep in the music, this song is a 10 out of 10. Can that heal my brain? It heal my brain. I don't know, it's just tingle. The Sonic, not gonna lie, if I have a Would You Rather video game soundtrack, it's gonna be a Sonic. Because you know why? Because it's Sonic Linkin Park. Because Linkin Park is my favorite band. It's my favorite band. Not the final song. Fuck. Welcome to the jungle. Where there are in a fantasy land. Last song. 2, 1, go. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm done. We got lyrics. I feel like I'm in heaven. Final Fantasy, fun game. That's what it sounds like. It's not like that. Final Fantasy spin-off. Conform, inspired, and cancer. Yeah, I feel like Final Fantasy type song. It's too scary. I would never put that in my playlist. Never. I can't. That's too creepy for me. When I tiptoe, remember that song? That's creepy too. It's catchy, but no, I cannot put it in my playlist. No, it's too creepy. Tiptoe? Nah. That gives me nightmares. It's too heaven. It's too heaven. I don't mind church song, but this is too much, you know? I mean, it's dramatic because the video game. Video game has to be dramatic. They're different. Very, very different. video game. It has to be more dramatic, more entertaining, because it's a video game. Duh. Back to back, right? Right? It has to be right. Gotta be. Too much. It's pretty nice. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Can you imagine? Take this playlist in the car ride. Congratulations. It's no way. Only 1 or 2 songs. That's it. That's it. Let's go out. In the video game, I don't mind. It's a video game. I'm playing it. Nice sound, background. Okay.